National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, southwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Coden to 18 miles southeast of Petit Bois Island, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Daphne, Fairhope, Point Clear, Dauphin Island, Fort Morgan, and Alabama Port. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin and Mobile. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for